In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup Whiteboards. Clickup Whiteboards offer a powerful space for creativity and collaboration, whether you're working on a single project or coordinating with your entire team. Let's dive into how you can make the most out of this tool in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Clickup website. You can do this by typing clickup.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find the Login button. Click this to access your Clickup account. You will then see the option to continue your sign-in process. We recommend using the Continue with Google option, as this can be one of the most seamless methods, especially if you often work within the Google Suite. After clicking on this option, a list of your Google accounts associated with your device will appear. Choose the account you want to use for logging in. Once logged in to your Clickup space, direct your attention to the left panel. Locate the plus icon, which allows you to add new items within your designated workspace. Clicking this icon reveals a menu of various elements you can add. Here, you'll need to select Whiteboard from among the available options. After selecting the Whiteboard option, you'll be taken to the Clickup Whiteboard interface. This is where your creativity can truly shine. On this virtual canvas, you can draw freely, making it a perfect tool for visual brainstorming. To add another layer of context to your ideas, consider inserting images. Additionally, you can create notes to further elaborate on your thoughts, ensuring nothing gets lost in translation. Another handy feature is the ability to tag or mention team members directly on the whiteboard. Simply type the @ symbol followed by their name to include them in the conversation or task. Once you've poured your ideas onto the whiteboard and are satisfied with the outcome, it's time to share it with your team. Look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Share button. Clicking on this button will pull up sharing options so you can seamlessly distribute your whiteboard concepts with collaborators, whether they're within your office or on the other side of the globe. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting started with Clickup's whiteboards. This digital space not only aids in organization, but also encourages a more dynamic, collaborative process, allowing teams to visualize ideas in new and innovative ways. Don't hesitate to explore these features and enhance the way you and your team brainstorm and create together. Thanks for watching and happy whiteboarding.